In this video, we're going to look at the final 33 difficult words to pronounce in English. But in addition to their pronunciation, we're going to understand their function in English, their definition, and a common collocation that you can find these words in. Are you ready? Let's begin. Protean. Protean. This is an adjective which means assuming various forms, changeable in shape. I'm exhausted by his protean character. Number 68, psychologist. Psychologist. This is a noun, a person, who is an expert or specialist in psychology and who studies the human mind, emotions, and behavior. Educational psychologists help pupils overcome their emotional, social, or learning issues. Puerile. Puerile. This is an adjective, and it means something related to a child or childhood, often immature or foolish behavior. Even though he is a teenager, I find his puerile behavior unacceptable. Number 70, pulchritude. Pulchritude. This is a noun which denotes physical beauty. Romeo was stunned by the pulchritude of Juliet's appearance. Number 71, quixotic. Quixotic. This is an adjective which means insensibly extravagant or romantic, unusual but not practical or likely to succeed. What a quixotic idea to sell the apartment and buy a yacht. Yacht is also a very difficult and often mispronounced word. Yacht. Number 72, realtor. Realtor. This is a noun, a person who acts as an agent for the sale and purchase of homes, apartments, buildings, or land. My realtor is eager to sell this property despite my hesitation. Recondite. Recondite. This is an adjective, and it means something difficult or impossible for one of ordinary understanding, often of a subject or an idea. Astrophysics is such a recondite subject that most of my classmates failed it. Number 74, refrigerator. Refrigerator. This is a noun, and it denotes a piece of kitchen equipment to preserve food or drinks at a cold temperature. Informally, we refer to this as fridge. Dairy products are stored in the refrigerator so they don't go rotten. Number 75, rendezvous. Rendezvous. This is a noun that we borrow directly from the French. It's a meeting at an agreed time and place. Let's rendezvous at 3 o'clock near Trafalgar Square. Number 76, maybe the most difficult word on the list, rural. Rural. This is an adjective which means in, of, or like the countryside. The population of this rural area is facing challenges due to globalization. Number 77, sanguine. Sanguine. This is an adjective which means someone cheerful, hopeful, confident, especially in a bad situation. The UN officials are less sanguine about achieving peace in these warlike circumstances. Number 78, schadenfreude. Schadenfreude. This is a noun that we borrow from the German. It means taking pleasure or satisfaction from another person's misfortune. Jason felt schadenfreude after his boss was fired. Number 79, schedule. Schedule. That's the American pronunciation. or the British schedule, schedule. This is a noun, which is a weekly or daily plan, any sort of a plan. Would you like to grab a bite to eat? No, I'm sorry. I have a very tight schedule. Number 80, scissors. Scissors. This is a noun, and it's this photo here. I'll go to the office supply store to buy a pair of scissors. Number 81, sixth. Sixth. This is a difficult adjective to pronounce, and it denotes this number here, an ordinal number. The bestseller is the sixth most popular book in the U.S. Number 82, specific. Specific. This is an adjective which means something clearly defined or identified, relating to one thing and not others. I have a specific problem to deal with. Number 83, squirrel. Squirrel. This is a noun, and the animal is pictured here. I saw a red squirrel in the park today. Stayed. Stayed. This is an adjective which means settled, sedate in character, serious, perhaps a bit dull. My parents have such a staid lifestyle. They're so angry when their routine is disrupted. Number 85, stomach. Stomach. This is a noun, and it's where the food goes after you eat, in your stomach. We also say belly or tummy if it's in informal settings. Going for a run is better on an empty stomach. Number 86, suggestion. Suggestion. This is a noun which means an idea or plan put forward for consideration. She made a practical suggestion on the company's finances, but it was rejected. Number 87, sweet. Sweet, as in sweet candy as well, which is spelled differently. This is a noun, and it's a set of connected rooms, especially in a hotel. I checked their website and found an inexpensive hotel suite. Number 88, surfeit. Surfeit. This is a noun which means an excessive amount. I feel nauseous due to a surfeit of junk food. Number 89, timbre. Timbre. This is a noun, and it's the sound or tonal quality of a particular voice or musical instrument. He was stunned by the rich timbre of the saxophone at the performance. Number 90, temperature. Temperature. This is a noun, and it's the measured amount of heat in a place or in the body. Take my temperature, please. I think I have a fever. Number 91, tenet. Tenet. This is a noun which means a strongly held belief. The central tenet of the concept of globalization is connectedness and communication across the globe. Number 92, thoroughly. Thoroughly. This is an adverb which means done in a detailed and creative way, completely or very much. The detective thoroughly investigated the criminal case. Number 93, though. Though. This is a conjunction which means despite the fact that or although. I love singing, though I'm not very good at it. Number 94, through. Through. This is a preposition, and it means from one end or side of something to the other. In order to get to the hunting lodge, you should go through the woods. Through also acts as an adverb. I barely got through this unbearable or difficult day. 95, tough. tough. This is an adjective which means strong, difficult to do or deal with. The pandemic has been a tough time for all of us. Number 96, truculent. Truculent. This is an adjective which means defiant, quick to argue or fight. The class was full of truculent teenagers looking for any excuse to fight. Number 97, vicissitude. Vicissitude. This is a noun which means a change in circumstances, usually undesired. An investor experienced a vicissitude of misfortune after the stock market crashed. Number 98, vocabulary. Vocabulary. This is a noun. It's the body of words used in a particular language. You cannot become fluent in a foreign language if you have a limited vocabulary. Number 99, Worcester. Worcester. This is a proper noun and a city in central England. Worcester Cathedral houses royal tombs and a crypt. The final word on our list is zephyr. Zephyr. This is a noun which means a soft, mild breeze. The Atlantic zephyr blew softly westward. I hope you enjoyed watching this video in the series of the 100 most difficult words to pronounce. In addition, we tried to highlight the function of the words, their meanings, and a most common collocation or context that you'd find these words. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, tell your friends about it, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching.